So sa mga nakaraang video, ang tinatalakay natin is kadalasan fisheries laws and capture fisheries. So ngayon may tatalakayin tayo na kaakibat ng capture fisheries. Yun yung seamanship and navigation. So importante ito especially sa mga fisher folks natin na pumapalaot. Dapat may alam tayo sa basic ng rules of the road at sea. Ngayon tatalakayin natin yung rule number 15 ng COLREGs or Collision Regulation. And ito yung tinatawag na crossing situation. So, nakalagay sa rule number 15, crossing situation. So, when two power-driven vessels are crossing, the vessel which has the other on its starboard side shall keep out of the way and shall avoid crossing ahead of the other vessel. So, this applies especially when power-driven ang vessel. So, it is run by a machinery or an engine. So, in this situation, for example, so if you are this vessel and you see a vessel approaching on the starboard side, what you do is you give way. If ikaw naman to and nakita mo yung vessel approaching from your port side, what you do is you stand on, continue underway, or continue to your course. And you could also, it is actually written in Rule 15 that you avoid crossing ahead of the other vessel. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, if you are the vessel, you avoid crossing in front of the other vessel or in the bow of the other ship. So what you can do is you can actually avoid it and you can pass through the stern. Now, ano naman to nakalagay na sea red stop, sea green go sa baba. So, ang tinutukoy niyan is yung navigational lights or position lights sa isang vessel. So, makikita nyo sa mga barko, if ako yung barko na nakaharap sa inyo, kung nakikita nyo merong ilaw. Magkaiba yung kanilang ilaw. So, yung ilaw sa right side or sa starboard side, kulay green. And sa port side naman or sa left side is kulay red. So, yun ay mga position lights. So, i-apply natin dito. If ikaw tong fishing vessel na to, paano mo malaman na approaching from your starboard side yung another vessel? If ang position light na nakikita mo is yung kanyang port side light, meaning red. Pag ikaw tong fishing vessel na to, nakita mo yung red niya na port side light, it means you give way, keep clear, or depending on the situation, stop. Now, paano naman kung ikaw tong fishing vessel na to? Paano mo malaman na yung another vessel is approaching from your port side? If yung kanyang starboard light yung nakikita mo. Which means, if ikaw tong fishing vessel na to, ang makikita mo is kulay green. Meaning yan, what you do is, you stand on. Ibig sabihin, continue underway and continue to your course.